I like solving or trying to solve problems that our stakeholders in production agriculture that look to the Ag Center for answers. I like to try to solve problems for them. And the work that I do is I wouldn't consider basic, it's more applied. So anything that I do, they should be able to take immediately and use on their farm, and it worked for them. My name is Glen Gentry. I'm a researcher. I'm the resident coordinator at the Bob R. Jones Idlewild Research Station and Central Research Station for the Ag Center. I've worked for the Ag Center for 33 years. My background was in cattle. The research that I did early on was with horses, beef cattle, and white-tailed deer. It was assisted reproductive technologies. So we collected embryos, we've done AI in all those species. Probably 8 or 9 years ago, I was asked to lead a group to basically come up with a toxic bait for feral pigs. The reason we're needing a toxic bait for feral pigs is because the impacts that these pigs have economically on our stakeholders, our soybean producers, corn producers, sugarcane producers. They go in and they'll decimate crops. Pigs like our bait, pigs consume our bait. If they consume enough of the bait, they will die. My dad and mom were both in the East Baton Rouge Parish School System, and so they were educators. Now, for a while, I wanted to go to ranch manager school, but my parents, being the parents they were, wouldn't let me just do a 2-year deal. I had to get a 4-year degree, and then I could go do what I wanted to do. So that's how I ended up at LSU in animal science. My dad had cattle, but it goes further back than that. My grandfather was actually a county agent in Jeff Davis Parish, and then he moved from there and was the first department head in animal science at McNeese, and then retired and went to work for Sweet Lake Land and Oil in South Louisiana. Because the family was involved in agriculture, it's just something that I've always was comfortable with and really enjoyed doing.